Hello students, welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today I am here with a explanation of your chapter number 6, that is food for health. So students, what's the name of the chapter is food for health. So students, do you know what are foods? Food gives us energy to work and play. It tastes good and make us feel better when we are hungry. So students, do you know why do we need food? We need food to grow. Food give us energy. Food keep us healthy and strong. Now look at the web chart given here. Food we eat. There are different kinds of food we eat like fruits, vegetables, seeds, healthy food, junk food, cereals, pulses, nuts. Now students, do you know from where we get food? So students, let's learn about the sources of food. We get food from plants and animals. In your previous chapter, you learn about plants and animals. And their uses also. So students, from plants we get fruits, vegetables, pulses and cereals and also dry fruits. From animals we get milk, meat, seafood, honey, egg. Now students, let's come to the next topic, that is food groups. We can divide the food we eat into 3 groups. The first one is energy giving food. The second one is bodybuilding food. And the third one is protective foods. So students, let's discuss about our first food group, that is energy giving foods. Food which gives energy are called energy giving food. So the example of energy giving foods are rice, wheat, ghee, butter, etc. Now let's come to the second food group, that is bodybuilding foods. Food which make our bones and muscles strong are called bodybuilding foods. So the example of bodybuilding foods are milk, fish, pulses, egg. Now the third group is protective foods. Food which protect us from falling ill are called protective foods. The example of protective foods are fruits and vegetables. So students, in this chapter we learn about different types of food that we eat to stay healthy. Now students, apart from these we must drink plenty of water to remain healthy. Now let's come to the next topic, that is meals in a day. So students, do you know what are meals? It means a particular type of food that we eat at a particular time of the day is called a meal. Okay, so students, we eat three main meals in a day. The first one is breakfast. So students, the spelling of breakfast is BREAKFAST, breakfast. So students, we take our breakfast in the morning. Now the second one is lunch. The spelling of lunch is LUNCH, lunch. We take our lunch in the afternoon or at midday. The third one is dinner. The spelling of dinner is DINNER, dinner. We take our dinner at night. It is also known as supper. So students, the spelling of supper is SUPPER, supper. So students, these are three meals usually which is taken in a day. Now students, let us talk about healthy eating habits. So the first one is eat different kinds of food but in right quantities. It means we have to eat different kinds of food but in right amount. The second one is eat well cooked food. We have to always eat well cooked food. Raw cooked food make us ill. Now the next, do not eat uncovered food. Always eat covered food. Wash your hand before and after eating. Wash your mouth after eating. Wash your hands before and after eating and wash your mouth after eating. Eat slowly and chew your food well. Eat and drink from clean plates and glasses. Always eat fresh food. Eating stale food can make you sick. So, avoid to eat stale food because it is not good for our health. Eat meals at regular intervals and do not waste food. Always eat your meals at regular intervals means there are you know very well there are three meals: breakfast, lunch and dinner. So you have to take your meals at regular intervals and do not waste food. So students, in this chapter we learn about food, why do we need food, sources of food, food groups and the three meals, and a healthy habit of eating. Okay, thank you students. I hope you understand this chapter by this video. Have a wonderful day.